So I have one final question and a request. So my final question to you is your ideal clients, which is I know a typical question, but let's end with like, what are your ideal clients? Who should be calling you?
I think people that have a good faith dispute. What's interesting is that I end up handling a lot of people call me in regards to legal questions they have. I talk myself out of a lot of business. Because I don't want to. I'm not going to go get rich off of people who shouldn't be necessarily doing something that where you need to hire me, give me a X amount retainer, and let me go fight for you. If they're not in that position yet, or if there's something they can do to protect themselves. So I find myself putting myself in that position, but I think my ideal clients are people who have disputes that need somebody who can be aggressive and yet smart about when to be aggressive and when not. So to be able to meet your expectations and that will communicate, that I will communicate with them. But I think anybody in the context of a business dispute, whether it be for breach of contract, partnership, corporate disputes, things like that. Whether it comes to if one business is harming another, so potential intentional interference with a business relationship. I can help on circumstances like that. Trade secret cases, if an employee leaves and takes a customer list, under what circumstances is that customer list a trade secret? Under what circumstances isn't it? Or if a competitor somehow gets a hold of your trade secrets, handling those kinds of cases. Property cases, be partitions, boundary disputes, easements, that kind of thing. Probate cases, trust disputes. Those are kind of my ideal clients.
You said easement. I went right back to law school. I was like, please no.
Well, at least I didn't mention a rule against perpetuity.
That's it. And so my request is that I know you mentioned you have a do's and don'ts presentation. I'd love for us to share that with the people that are watching this. So if you have a link, we could provide it to us and we'll post it onto the channel because I think it'd be great for people to know about do's and don'ts.
Sure. Well, it's really just a PowerPoint. I don't know. Nobody's really videoed me doing it.
You can
But I
send
just
it to
have.
me. We'll post it up on the channel, and we'll figure that portion out.
Okay. Sure.
I'll find a way to post it out because I think it's going to be really important. I think you really touched upon a key point. In fact, in hindsight, I almost wish that maybe that should be the next video we do is we maybe break down the PowerPoint, or maybe that could be the second video we can do together.
Sure. We could do that.
Well, Eric, thank you so much for this. I really appreciate you taking the time.
Thank you. I really appreciate it, Sanjay. Thanks very much.